video. Today's July 4th, 10 p.m. Me and my crazy brother are about to go fish. Let's go. Yeah, what time is it? 1 second. 12:02. Okay, welcome to the spot. 12:19. First cast. It's on. Ah, it's light. Zach, you won't believe it. They're 9.5, bro.
Which one?
Yours.
Oh, wow. Keep it. Maybe it'll bring us good luck.
Look, ready? Here?
Yeah. Okay.
That's a keeper.
That's not bad, yeah.
There's progress, brother. Oh.
Wow, that's nice.
Ooh, that's a nice one. Nice looking one. Ooh. Whoa.
Huh?
Good one.
Measure it, brother. Measure it.
Oh.
Huh?
Oh, barely set the hook, bro. Almost came off. There. 12. 12.5. Oh, definitely over 12. Whew. Nice one.
Nah.
Hell no. I got it. Just got the worm. No. Tiny one.
Then?
I know. I saw something. I reeled it in a little bit, and it one or two. Another one.
What?
Ooh. Gee. This is a sweet one. Wow, let's measure this one, eh? Hey. $14.
Whoa.
Almost 14.5. Look. 14 and change. Yep. We'll take it. Ooh. Zach, look.
Oh, that's the fish, bro.
Hey, when he gets colder, we got shorts on. What do you do, bro? You start a little fire. Catch and cook. We're gonna do a taste test after. Alright, Zach. Show us some taste tests, brother.
See, you just move these things.
The skin right here.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good, bro.
Right there. Careful, my man, huh?
Cheers, eh?
Of course, brother. Grab a beer.
You get a piece. Let's try it.
Go for it.
Good.
Of course. Some from the stomach.
It's good, bro. Top. Oh, that's.
Yeah, that's the
Going. Nice.
what I'm talking about. They're here, they're here.
Yeah.
Bro, the bait up and
Did. I just did. There it is. These guys won. It's on. Oh. A good one, brother. Oh, it's so sideways. Oh. Escape over there. Oh! Ah, little guy. Little guy. Something is ringing. Oh, they're here for sure. Look at this. Look at the hook set. Just look at this. Just gotta time the tide, eh? Nice. Yeah. Oh, I just loosened up. You gotta go through a few rocks.
oh, nice.
It's a good size?
Yeah, now it's you can feel a bit. Ooh.
Alright, bro. You can leave it at 6, don't worry. Have the bow here. Good size one.
Yeah, brother, yeah. Whoa! Look at the size of the thing, brother.
Oh, yeah? You said it up. Oh, good size. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Zach, cheers. And my other rod is on. On, brother. Yo. Swallowed it? Oh, there's a good size too. Oh, it's fighting. Oh, that's a good size. The belt should be there, right there. You see it?
No.
Right there, brother. It's right on your left foot.
Huh?
Oh, yeah. That's definitely gonna make it right there. You see the bow?
Yeah. Where's the fish? You put it in the pot?
No, not yet. Hey. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm on, bro. I just casted it. Oh, Zach. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, it's a good one. Good size one.
No, brother, look at the size of this fish we're laying down out here, man.
Zach, ready? No, it's me, it's me. Watch.
Yeah.
Oh, good one, brother.
Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. Look at this.
Oh, 2. Yeah, I think it's, no, I don't know, they're too little. Too little. Bro, I set the hook so nice. Okay, ready? How long will it take me, Zach, to... Oh, the bell. Okay. Oh. Oh, it's on, Zach. Oh, small one though. Small one. Oh, the tiny ones.